So hello guys, today I am actually I want to talk about how the LLMs are built today. The LLMs are built on a very static hardware networks, okay? We are maintaining a physical drives like of billions of parameters and other things, which is totally fascinating and totally good, but it won't lead to an artificial general intelligence. Why? So that level of to have that level of energy, or you can say to have that level of intelligence, we need to change our infrastructure. Why we need to change our infrastructure? Because the infrastructures that we are having today does not support at all the artificial general intelligence or the autonomous AI. Why? The first reason is uh, the hardware itself. The hardware is, we need to make a lot of hardwares. We need to compress those hardware in a in a way such that it will store the billions of billions of parameters, and it has to process it accordingly. We need to write the CUDA code about it and other stuffs, blah blah blah. But if we are replacing those hardware kind of things with a simple liquid silicon, okay? Why this simple liquid silicon is so much essential in this field of LLM? See, for that we need to understand how our brain works. So to understand how our brain works, it is something like when we are assuming like human are a very complex form of life, okay? What happens is the billions of cells and connections are being made inside a brain, but everything is being conceptuated in a, in a matters. So there are level of matters and liquid forms which is already there in brain, which, and it is totally replaceable, okay? Like in some point of time, at some point of time, the cells actually degenerate and regenerate itself. So a new level of formation is done. So at every point of time, the information is being stored or deleted, or anything can happen at any point of time. But this is the place where, this autonomous AI can actually take place. We need to make sure that if we are utilizing, we need to make those machineries in such a way, like if the silicon which is being built as liquid silicon, it has to replace at certain interval of time, and at the same time it has to store those energy in a certain level that those information can be gathered and modified at that point of time. So this is what I want to tell, and I hope that whatever information that I have shared here is can be milestone and can be a total number of failures also. So yeah, this is what I have an idea in my brain. If it is possible, you can actually research through it, you can actually go through it, you can actually build those things in a certain levels. Thank you.